Today's mini lesson is about how illustrators change colors to change the feeling in the story. In the book, How to Heal a Broken Wing, the colors at the beginning are gray because people are ignoring the bird that fell. This has a feeling of hopelessness. When Will picks up the bird, the feeling changes to hope and the color becomes brighter. The dandelion seed starts with calm pink and purple. When the wind blows the seed away, the feeling is fear and loneliness, so the color changes to black. As the dandelion grows and blooms in a new place, the colors change to show beauty. Today, when you are reading independently, notice the colors in the illustrations and the feeling in the story.